Hi. Wait. Stop. Ah, it's working. Ah, stop. Wait. We'll have to edit this. Okay. Hello and welcome. This is my do-it-yourself video log of setting up a Shopify store from scratch. My name is Ron. You may also know me as Aergo Wanderlust from the wanderlustllc.com. We are a site about adult independent travel, and I'm trying to get some e-commerce going here to help me pay for some adult independent travel. So here we go. What I'm going to do is I've got a store here on a site called Gear Bubble. Gear Bubble does print on demand of mugs and t-shirts and phone covers and hats and things like that. And it allows you to integrate that with a Shopify store. Now, theoretically, I could just promote this store, but I think Shopify is probably a little bit more sophisticated. Plus, in the long run, Shopify is what I want to do to build high-end stores with more traditional drop shipping sources than print on demand. So this is kind of a learning exercise. I hope you'll come along with me. I'm going to start this from scratch. Outside of having just these few products already built in another platform, everything that we're doing with Shopify and everything else, we're starting from scratch. So here we go. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go out, we're going to get ourselves a new domain. Lots of people will tell you to do lots of different things, but when I do domains, I go to GoDaddy. They're the cheapest. They're the best. I'm going to flip back over to my other scene so that you won't see my sign in. Just 1 second. I've got shortcuts crisscrossed here, so next session I'll have to get that straightened out. Username is going to be this. And that is going to be my sign-on, I think. No, I have locked my GoDaddy account. Oh well. We will just then have to sign up for one without an account. So let me get back to the basic screen. Okay, and then we'll come back here. Now, you should be able to see my screen again. Just going to cut back here and make sure. Yes. Okay. So far, everything that I've done on Gear Bubble has been about dogs with the theme of I love my dog, or my dog loves me, or something of that nature. My thought is to have sort of a comprehensive Shopify store. Eventually, I want to cover all 143, I think, at the last count, breeds that are recognized by the AKC, and have products that people can order. If you like a particular breed and it's really not that popular, it's kind of hard to find products for it. You know, if you like cute little golden retriever puppies, you're in good luck. If you're down with the Chow Chows and the French Bulldogs and the Siberian Huskies, a little bit harder to find products. So my idea is to build a Shopify store that eventually will have products for every single breed from the AKC registry. Now, in addition, the store is going to raise money for or rather for dog rescue and for dog shelters. 50% of the proceeds will go. Why do you say not 100%? First off, I'm not a charitable organization. I need to make some money off of this. Second off, even if there was a charitable organization, I would probably still be pulling a salary. So I've decided I can donate 50% and still feel comfortable and will do some good. And it will allow me to grow and get to the next pieces of things that I need to do to grow personally and keep going. So anyway, so based on that, I did some research earlier today, and I believe that this domain, Dog Love Gear, should be available unless somebody saw me search for it. No, there we go. Dog Love Gear is available. It's $2.99 for the first year, and then $14.99 a year after that. We're going to select this, add that. Okay. There are lots of other options that we could do there, but for now we're just going to stay with the very first option. I do like to make my domains private. I would rather not have the yeah, we'll take the cheap version on that. Don't need a website builder, don't need website web hosting, because we're going to do everything through Shopify. Okay, but it'll be nice to have an email even if I don't get web hosting. So let me grab the basic package here for $4 a month. Hope I can afford all this. We'll continue on and see what that does. If not, I'll find a way to capture the mails off of that domain. So you know what? We're going to keep this for 1 year rather than pay the $17 for 2 years. We go to 2 years, it goes up to $17.98. So we're going to do the domain registration for 1 year. Okay. We're going to go. We're not going to do any of the matching domains. Oh, I've got it in my cart here twice. So I need to get rid of one of these. I'm not sure how to do that. So, as I said, I did look in here earlier. Well, once you got it in there, I don't guess you don't get it out. There we go. Remove. Okay. So I've got a single year of doglovegear.com for $11.99. We're going to do the privacy piece. Unfortunately, I think this is going to bump it up. Yeah, it's going to bump it up $50 for the Office 365 mail. Blah, 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 blah. We're going to remove that. We'll find a different way, even if I have to go host it somewhere. I'd rather have a full website than not. So we're going to buy this now for $17.16. Okay. So I'm going to pause the video while I put in my credit card information. In fact, let's hear. I'll just jump over here. Okay. That way you won't see it. Again, I don't trust this thing quite yet, so I'm going to keep checking on my recording. Okay. I'm going to go here. I got to put in a bunch of information about who I am, where I come from. Fortunately, I have a lot of that stored away in the automatic responses. Billing, the email address. We'll make this account that name. Oh, I already have an account by that name. So let me try logging in. I hope I find an editor somewhere. Okay. Click here to log in. Returning customers. Try this. And that password that goes with that usually. Okay. I'll try the other version. There we go. That's my name. Don't abuse it. Okay. That's the preferred payment method. And I agree to everything and place my order. Okay, we jump back over here. Now you can see GoDaddy says my payment was successful. So I now own doglovegear.com. Okay. So they're glad to give me a free month trial of a website. We don't need that. Okay. What we're going to do now is we're going to go over to Shopify. Now, I'm not making this up. I have gone through some YouTube training, and that has helped me know a little bit about what I'm doing with Shopify. But we've got our domain, and we're going to go in and we're going to create the store, and then we're going to probably stop there for tonight. All right. So here's the email address we're going to put this under. This is the email address if you want to talk to me. That's the place to do it. Okay. As I said, you can find me on the wanderlustllc.com. I also have domain workwith.thewanderlustllc.com, which is where I'm exploring all these business options to explore my traveling. We're going to set up a password. And our store name here is Dog Love Gear. Okay, it looks like that passed the trial. I'm going to do that passed muster. We're going to start our free 14-day trial. Shopify does have a 14-day trial. When I post this, I will give you a link that if you want to try Shopify, if you click that link, it will take you right here, and you'll be able to sign up and get your own Shopify store. Okay, there we go. Let's ring-a-ding-a-ding. We're grinding the gears, Shopify says. I never save my passwords. Sets up all the stuff internally. Says, what do you want to do? Okay. I already told you my name's Ron. Okay, the website address is on my website, so I guess there's no point in hiding that. Okay. Ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding. So this is going to be tied to work with the... Here. I always like to type my long domains so that they look like I'm trying to say something. Makes them easier to remember in my mind, anyway. Okay, am I already selling? I'm not really selling products yet. I'm just getting started. No, not for any clients. It's my store, so here we go. Again, I'm going to check and make sure I'm on the right scene so that you can see what's going on. My trial has just started. Okay. There are some things that are suggested, okay, to get set up. Okay. The first is to look at a theme. Okay. This is the basic theme that comes with somewhere. Visit the theme store. Okay, there's a theme store here. You can look at all of these. There are free and premium and by industry and yada yada yada. The one that I had decided I wanted to try was called Minimal. And simple soda supply classic minimal. Okay, so we're going to use theme minimal and install it. Okay, it's just that easy to set up the theme. Okay, and then we want to publish it as the theme that's actually on my site. Okay, so here it comes all the way down. Blinga, 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 blinga. Okay, go to my theme manager. Okay. Now there's a whole bunch of things that we can do to customize our theme. Okay. Just to give you an idea, we are going to go look at a little bit more in depth. Okay. But there's all this stuff. You can change the presets, the typography, headers, footers, what's the home page, what's the slideshow that's in here, featured images, collections, products, what a product page looks like, what a collection page looks like. Shopify, every Shopify store comes with a built-in blog. Okay, so you don't have to go out and set up a separate WordPress blog to go with it. I obviously already have a WordPress blog. That's what the Wanderlust LLC is. But here we are. We've got our theme. We've got the basics. It's looking pretty ugly. But we'll go back to the theme page for now. And again, my name is Ron. This is a true beginner's guide to setting up your Shopify store. You're learning with me, and we will go from there, and we will see you the next time.